Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the 2-liter hydration pack from the company Casa or seller Casa, again on Amazon. That's with all my purchases. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So cool, looks like we have a couple different things here. First thing let's do is let's open the hydration pack, or what they refer to as the bladder. So let me give you a look at the hose first. Feels to be good material, flexible. Not too thin, but not too thick so that you can't bend it. And then the hydration pack itself. It is an insulated hydration pack. It's got a large top here. I'm not sure if that's going to unscrew or what. There we go. Huh. Pretty cool. And this would be where your hose is going to go in. It does have measurements on the side. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that. Not that you would really need them, but again, 2-liter pack. The reason for the large opening is so you can put ice in easier. So that's a quick look at the bladder. Now let's take a look at the backpack itself. So it is made of polyester. It has 2 foam straps, so it should be nice and soft on your shoulder. It can be used for multiple things. I guess hiking is probably the main thing. I'm actually going to be using this when hunting. Got a little pouch here, about perfect size for your cell phone. I think on the website it says it holds up to an Apple iPhone 12. Has the clips on the side so you can strap it across your chest. And then you've got multiple clips back here for your smaller pouch to be able to be moved. It's got dual closure zippers. You've got a storage pouch there. You've got a couple little pouches on the inside. Clip there for your keys or hanging things. Another zipper pouch on the outside. The zippers are really nice. Sometimes you buy these things and the zippers are so useless you can't use any of it. But this one, they are nice and sturdy. Then you've got your large pouch. This is going to be where your hydration pack would go. And then you've got a large storage compartment there. Again, foam on the back, and on your shoulder sleeve as well. Give you a look at the tag. I don't know, pretty small writing on it. You're probably not going to be able to see any of the font. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.